The fact that they can see what they're doing without going blind and they're hitting the right spot, that makes me feel very comfortable. My name is Rico. I'm 49 years old. I work in construction and I've been having knee problems for the past 10, 12 years. Kneeling is just, it's very painful. I'm trying to avoid doing those, but sometimes through my work I can avoid them, and it's just a lot of pain. And what I'm doing today is to work and relieve the pain. But yeah, it's unreal. It works. The first week I feel a lot of very uncomfortable, funny things going through my knee, and then after a week I just feel much better. Zero pain. I still feel like I don't trust in my knees, so I just go easy even though they're feeling better, but yes, it's improved my performance at work. With the ultrasound, it's a better procedure. The fact that they know where they're gonna inject. You can see the pockets, the areas where they're gonna inject. You can see the dripping of the fluids too. It makes me more comfortable to see them see what they're doing.